services, right? Like that. So this is in a troubleshooting very useful. One is the safe mode, and the second one is system restore. Okay. Then I will explain BSOD. Okay. So what is the troubleshooting things we can able to do in the safe mode? Also we'll see.
Sir, not able to see video. Actually,
Screen is not
yeah.
visible.
Share screen is visible.
Okay. I will
Screen
share.
was visible.
Now it is able to see.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, if in case the screen or voice having disturbance, there is two reasons. Means two sides of reason, same reason, but two sides. Either my internet slow or your internet is slow. Okay, so mostly. Or app problem, that
Yes,
is
sir.
also there. Application problem also there.
I'm getting issued, so I will read.
Okay. Okay, guys, what is the safe mode? What is safe mode? Okay. Safe mode is like a normally we are using our system in normal mode, full mode of operating system we are using. Okay, what is safe mode? It is a minimal operating system mode. It means in normal mode you can use lot of functions, right? Networking, audio, video, background applications, background services, virus, antivirus, everything is working in the normal mode. But in a safe mode, all those things won't work, including graphical monitor is also won't work. So if you go to the safe mode in Windows 7, I put it because it's more clear. Windows 10 is also more. Okay. If you are in the safe mode, okay, so the screen is look like this one. Okay, it is a Windows 10 safe mode. So screen is look like this one. So the background graphical means your background, what we can say, this picture is there, no background picture, that is also won't work. Okay, so background things also won't work here. Okay, so graphical support. Normally monitor means my laptop is 1366 into 768. That is a screen resolution. The screen resolution also reduces. The screen resolution also less. Small. Okay. Small screen or a screen resolution. Example 800 into 600 type of screen resolution, not a 1366 into 768 or a 4K videos, that is 4096 into 19 something is there. That type of screen resolutions also won't work. It is very small screen resolution it is. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to say, guys. So safe mode is a minimal operating system used for a troubleshooting purpose. In a safe mode, most of the device drivers and viruses, antiviruses, background services, background applications, the resolutions and background screen. What is that? We can say desktop wallpapers. Okay, desktop wallpaper and the stuff also won't load it. Okay, so it will using that for that purpose. Okay. What is the use? So we use this safe mode for deleting viruses, applications uninstallation. The use of going to this safe mode for a troubleshooting purpose. We are using for a troubleshooting purpose. What is the meaning? You are unable to delete certain file because of it is linked to some virus process. Okay, so you can't able to delete a files. You can't able to delete some virus affected files. You can delete it. You can uninstall the application. Normal mode, the applications are linked, so you can't able to uninstall an applications or antivirus applications. Okay, mainly antivirus applications. Some people do this kind of stuff. They try to uninstall antivirus application. They try to uninstall antivirus applications, but they can't able to do in normal mode. So where to, how to do, what to do? You can go to save mode and then you can try to do all this antivirus uninstallations and all. Last class I told guys, that is um, what I told, do not use two antiviruses. I will tell one example from it. Okay, generally some people think, so for a security, there are purchase a new laptop or a desktop, so fresh system, right? So there are already comes with some antivirus. Usually McAfee antivirus is there. It's a trial version. It works for a 30 days and it is gone. Again, you have to renew it. Instead of renewing it, so what people are doing, they download a Avast, Avera, free antiviruses, right? So what the people think, it is a free antivirus, or my friend is given new antivirus, it is working fine. He said the antivirus daily finding 30 viruses in my PC. Guys, the trial versions, demo versions of antiviruses generally, okay, in general, I'm telling, they showed there is a lot of virus in your PC. There is security breaches in your PC. To remove that one, so you need to pay. Once you paid, there is no virus inside. Okay, these are only manipulation part. So please take care. Okay, use any genuine antivirus. One genuine antivirus is, some are very less cost also there. Some are you can purchase in online. It is also very less cost. Once 1 year, 2 years that work is completed, you feel okay. Now I don't want to renew it. I want to go for new one. So you can remove it and install a new one. Okay, but never install two antiviruses in same PC. Already one antivirus is there, and do not install second antiviruses. Okay, if you install two antiviruses, what happen? Whatever the process you are doing, like you open a notepad, you are moving a mouse, you open in any application, these two antiviruses start doing computation, both are will scanning. So what happened? Your system is very slow. Lot of heat will be generated. System is get a lot of slow kind of stuff. Okay, what to do? By accidentally you done these two things, or maybe you have only one antivirus. You want to remove the antivirus. First of all, you have to uninstall the antivirus. Then you can install the new antivirus. Don't install first and uninstallation don't try. Yeah, Windows Defender is a default, very good. Windows Defender is one of the default virus support, antivirus support is there, guys. This is the Windows Security, Windows Defender. Okay, so it is by default compared to the starting version, means Windows Vista, Windows 7. Okay, it is much improved in Windows 8 and Windows 10. Okay, even if you use a Windows Defender, that is enough. But there is a one feature is there. What is that? For example, I have a laptop. I have a Windows Defender. I have my Windows Defender is there. Now I install a Kaspersky. What happened? This Windows Defender automatically disabled. Automatically it is disabled because this is the Windows what it is doing. It is a very basic support. If you are using any specific antivirus or a internet security or a antivirus kind of stuff and antiviruses, when you install automatically your Windows Defender firewall, that built-in Windows Defender firewall and Windows Defender both are going to disable. when you install this one. For example, you install antivirus or anti-malwares. So right, so antivirus is generally, don't go with different names. Antivirus, Kaspersky, N13, Norton antivirus, Avast kind of stuff. When you install, automatically your Windows Defender is disabled. So no problem. Okay. Okay. Next one is if you install any internet security, means Kaspersky internet security, okay, not an internet security kind of stuff, automatically the default firewall in your PC will be disabled. Means you need one protection, either this or that. So you got a new one, so the default one will be disabled. That is the first point. Okay, that's a good question actually. But in case you have already Kaspersky is there, you try to install Node32. Okay, what happened? Yeah, so Kaspersky internet security is already there. Okay, then maybe you want to install some other antiviruses. Okay, like a Node32. Node32 is eCenter. Node32 is there. Okay. So if you are doing like this, okay, or so what is this better? If we can put a antiviruses. Different antiviruses. You can see this is Cyber Protector, Acronis, Cyber Protect, Kaspersky, Total, Quick Heal. Okay, Kaspersky, Indigo, Mac, Node 32, Quick Heal, all-in-one editor software watershed. It is not antivirus. Net Protector. So some people believe in this one, Net Protector. I've seen in Pune that time, so a lot of people are using. So this is also same thing. Avast, AVG, Panda, Trend Macro. Okay, like this. This is I'm talking in an individual way. Okay, it's a old logo of Kaspersky, CA. Okay. Bitdefender, F-Force, Semantic. So different antiviruses are there from different organizations. So my point is that is I don't know which is the best one. My feeling is my best one is this is Malwarebytes. Malwarebytes free version is also good, and the cost is very high if you want to buy. No cracks available. And guys, never use cracked version of antivirus because crack means virus and you are using a virus kind of stuff. Okay, free download, personal, business. So this is a free available. Free only protect a, certain place. Okay, personal. It's a premium one device and a premium 5 devices, premium plus privacy VPN kind of stuff. We don't require that one. So one device it is. So it's showing in a US dollars. One device means multiple device, one account, one person. Okay. Per month is $3.75 means it is so much cost. I don't want to download, but it is doing this. But point is, this antivirus specifically contains registry scanning. So separate registry scanner is there. So even in a fresh, because your viruses, your antiviruses, per month 300 to 400 rupees. It's a very painful. Plus in dollars, so we have to check in Indian rupees based on the sign in and all. Okay, I got it with one quick easy way, but someone stole it from me. Yeah, I know this. compulsory update antivirus, guys. Remember, compulsory antivirus update is required because anything should be protected, so it can be from update only. What are the antivirus you are using? So malware bytes, I said no. Your trojans, malwares, spywares actually hooked to your registry. Already yesterday we discussed registry, right? Registry will actually controls your PC. So it is hooked to registry means it can control your PC. The virus is controlling your PC. Okay. So how this malwares, spywares will come by installing some applications from torrents. You download an application, you're downloading things from the torrents, or a third-party websites, you download an applications, or ask toolbars. Some people put in wantedly, they don't see how they installing an application. Simple next install. Okay, they don't see what is it is showing option also they don't see. Okay, if illiterate is there means very light knowledge on computer, people don't know, no problem, guys. We are educated, we already know how to use a computer. Okay, now people are don't know again. Now people are don't know again. Why? Because again I said mobile phone. People using mobile phone, they forget about what is right click and left click, where is enter button, space bar, nothing. So become computer literacy rate is very good in India, as now it is completely down. All because of people choosing mobile phones over laptops and desktops. And next generation is like a Apple MacBooks only. So that is like a security. Why US people using a MacBooks? It's a very secure devices and they don't know how to use a computer. We know how to use a computer, so that's why you choose my Windows. Okay, that's the point. Okay, guys, very simple thing it is. Why I using the malware bytes? It scans registry, so it will find any malware, spywares, or trojans in the registry. It will find and it will remove. Even a free version also. Like you are using a Windows Defender, for example, you are not using any antiviruses. You are using Windows Defender. You are using for a certain period of time. Okay, so now you got a doubt. You may have my laptop having some virus or my desktop having some virus. Maybe I frequently open certain links like a illegal links. Not illegal. It is some short links are there now. So you open links, some ad links are there. Use a Brave browser, guys. I'm using Brave browser for a sometimes if I try to find certain material in the internet, then I use a Brave browser because a lot of advertisement won't come. Like Google.com, Facebook.com, no problem. But if you are using trying to download something from internet, so it's a lot of advertisements. So that will kill a lot of these trojans, spywares also will come up. So this ad blocker is by default in the Brave browser. Okay. So that's a pop-ups blocking is also good in a Brave browser. I have seen that one, which that is also suggestible from people, and already I'm using also Brave browser. Okay. So thing is, any malware, spywares are came into your PC. You try to install some application, you are unable to install. You try to uninstall some application, you are unable to uninstall. So in that case is what it is better to scan registry. At least one registry is enough. You not to scan entire your system, guys. Just scan your registry. So then find out the viruses and delete the viruses from your PC. That's your system works fine. So one of the solution I'm trying to say. So that's why I use malware bytes. Antiviruses, so many antiviruses are there. Most of the free antiviruses are okay, but still not always. Okay, not always. Heavy paid antiviruses also not okay. Okay, yeah, these are all okay. Like Kaspersky is a very old one, and then this is a quick hill. And go to the reviews, go with the latest releases of antiviruses cost. Okay, there is nothing like it is higher cost is good, lower cost is not, like that also not there, guys. It's a purely depends upon the people and experience with particular antiviruses, so they will understand. Okay, that is completely up to you. So which one is best now? One can able to tell. Okay, try once. Yeah, point is we are forgetting, that is in case of two antiviruses, like one is Kaspersky, another is Quick Heal, for example. So two antiviruses will slow down your PC. You cannot able to work on anything. You can't uninstall one antivirus kind of stuff also not there. Then what to do? Go to the safe mode. In a safe mode, these background application services, virus, antiviruses won't work here. So we can simply try to uninstall the antiviruses. Okay, and also you can delete virus file if you know there is a certain virus files are there. If you delete in normal mode, it will create again, you know, one folder, another folder is created immediately. In that folder, if you open, another folder is created, folder.exe, that is one kind of virus. Okay, so you cannot able to delete, even you delete it will be create again. So what to do? Better scan with your system, all these things better to delete in a anti safe mode. That is one thing. You are unable to uninstall an application. Some application is there because of that background service or a certain kind of stuff blocking. So credit card again. Delete. Okay, you can delete a virus, or unable to delete the files kind of stuff, unable to uninstall the applications. You done it updates, you want to remove the update kind of stuff, drivers installations, you want to do it for troubleshooting purpose, you can use it. Best when is system restoration time also, it is better. You can do system restore. Normal mode also you can do it, but in a safe mode, a lot of background services won't work. So it is, so this system restoration is also happens very good. How to go to safe mode? So when you start your PC or restart your PC, you have to press the F8 button. Press the F8 button to go to safe mode. Okay. Another one is go to msconfig. msconfig. msconfig is a system configuration, guys. In this system configuration, select boot, safe mode with networking, not minimal, with networking. Okay, and click apply OK. So then you will get a automatic, once it will ask for restart now, then restart now, you will go to the safe mode. So I'm not doing, okay, I don't want to do all these things. Okay, so I'm showing only one option, guys. There is a lot of things in the system configuration. I'm showing only one option. So I remove this one, compulsory remove this one. Okay, safe mode, like that, restart. So we will get a safe mode. Okay, so you can select safe mode or a safe mode with networking. Okay, so once we are enter safe mode. So that related screens I will try to share, guys. This is in a Windows 10 safe mode. Once you are into the safe mode, you have to select these settings. The older safe mode is different from here. This is the Windows 10 related safe mode part. No. It says come to down. That is good. You can select in a Windows 10 safe mode with networking, safe mode with the command prompt. What to do? So you have to press F4 to safe mode or F5 to safe mode with networking. Okay, these are all troubleshooting parts only. Okay, startup settings. You can get to these settings from advanced options also. We can go to safe mode options from advanced options. Advanced options also, there is option is also there. Okay. Next, guys, I am showing a safe mode. Once you are entering to the safe mode, okay, this is how the screen is look like somewhat. The next one is safe mode Windows 7, Windows XP also good. So this is the safe mode in a Windows 7. Okay, this is directly F8. This is what I said. It is a press F8 kind of stuff. Okay, if you press F8 in a, now you will get this screen. You can select safe mode or safe mode with networking and other troubleshooting options also there to enter into the safe mode. And in Windows 10, this is the Windows 10 safe mode part. Once you are entering into the safe mode, so that is you are get a this kind of screen. So in corners it is written in a safe mode. Safe mode is a minimal operating system. It is used for troubleshooting. Okay, the device, drivers, applications, background services, virus, antiviruses kind of stuff won't work here. It cloud in the lesser resolution. Okay, we can use it to uninstall the applications, uninstall the updates, drivers, virus, antivirus kind of softwares. Okay, you can delete the certain files, you can do certain settings, and so you can do system restoration options also there. So I will tell what is system restoration also. Guys, this is about your tape mode. I can make it smaller, but this is very bigger. So why unnecessary should give all these things. Okay. This is msconfig screen. Guys, understand what is safe mode, what is use of safe mode?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one is guys system restore. System restore is also useful at a system restore is useful for in a troubleshooting. Okay, so what is a system restoration point and what is the use of this system restore? Okay, so I will try to show the screen. Yeah, screen is available. Good. Try to understand, guys. Think like this. This is a timeline. timeline or a date line. Okay, think like this. This is a timeline or a date line. I have an operating system, yes, and I done a certain settings in operating system. I installed some applications. Applications are there. For example, application 1, application 2, something I have done. Okay, now it is okay. So I have taken a a system restoration point. Okay, so practically I can't show you, but I will try to show one screen. That's it. Okay, system restoration point. So for example, on the 1st of Jan, I have taken this system restoration point. Afterwards, my system is working good. My up to here, system is working good. I have taken a system restoration point. I want to install some application or maybe a driver kind of stuff. So I'm installing some application. Make sure system is working, application is working or not. I have a little doubt. So then I install some application. And after this, everything is okay. Okay, so I install some other applications, application 4, application 3, I install. I have done certain settings and there is a data also created, done. On 5th Jan again I created a system restoration point. 5th Jan again I created a system restoration point. So I'm using, so on 6th or 7th Jan I install some application. Okay, application 5 I install and I uninstall application 3. Okay, I installed application 5 and I installed application 3. I have done settings and I created another data. Some data is also created. On 8th, I got a problem. So 7th, I done installation. Okay, so what happened? So on 8th, I opened my system. I got a problem with this particular application and my system is not working properly. My system is not working properly on 8th. Okay, so now what to do? Where system is working good in a first stage, second time also it is working. Now I got problem. Very simple is you can troubleshoot like where is the problem, which application, you can remove the application, you can go to safe mode and remove the application. Normal mode you can try, otherwise it is go to safe mode and you can try to remove the application. Sometimes that might not easy because it's only application, sometimes it won't agree or sometimes you have to do the other settings problem is also there. Okay, your system is not working. So you have to go to system restoration wizard. To go to system restoration, guys, to go to system restoration, so go to your about your PC. Go to about your PC. You already know this one. Go to system protection or advanced system settings. Go to system protection or advanced system settings. I'm going to system protection. So direct open. You can see system restoration. Your system is open, working, no problems, means there is a problem is there, but system still you can able to access, somewhat minimal access is there. Then you can go to about your PC, then go to system protection option. From here you will get this screen. This is a system restore. Can you see the system restore kind of stuff?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am putting here make it as a bigger. Okay, so this is the restoration point. You can see this is the restoration point. Okay, so if I click on, see, this is system protection is on C drive only. You can configure or create a restoration point. To create a restoration point, just click on a create. It asks what is the name of system restoration point. You can give the name or date and time. So now it will take a restoration point. Point will be created now if you create. Okay. Next one is already created. For example, restoration point is created on a 5th. Now I got a problem. Some problem is there. I don't know how to resolve it. So I want to restore it back to the earlier position. Think like this. I want to restore to the earlier position. What is earlier position? So we have a operating system, settings, data, app1, app2, app3, app4, settings, data. Up to this, what are the data, application, settings are there, it will come back. Data will be available, data won't be lost, but this will be reverted. The settings, applications, all will be reverted. Reverted means this will be gone, this will come back. Means app 5 will be gone, app 3 will be come back. Okay, so possibility is there. So app 3 will be back. So system restore. So I'm trying to restore to my earlier position. If data is available, see it is automatically created. System restoration point is automatically created by system on 9th January. Okay, yesterday afternoon it is created. Okay, I want to restore it to that point. What will happen if in case if I want to restore to this point, what will happen? Scan for affected programs. It is scanning. If in case after restoration point, if I done any settings or any installations or updates, if I done, that will be gone and that will be gone. Okay, what are the things before that restoration point that will be restored? Okay, programs and drivers that will be deleted, programs and drivers might be restored, no guarantee of restoration. But since that point, no changes, so no affected programs. Okay, guys, this is the way to go to system restoration point one way from your system. Another way of going to system restoration point. So then how I went to the system restoration point is go to in search. I type about your PC. Easy way I'm going. Another option is there that PC and select system protection. Either you can create a restoration point or you want to restore to your earlier position. Okay. And another way is at repair time means like you go to what it is, go to settings, go to Windows, settings, same thing only settings. In that one update, security. In this one recovery, advanced Restart now. So once you go to restart now, then you will get option. 3 options are there now. So go to Windows 10, consider options. Already I showed these screens, guys. Okay. First is this one. In general, this is the first one. So you will get this screen first. You have to clean this part. This is the first one. Second one. So you have to choose troubleshoot. You have to choose troubleshoot. In the troubleshoot again, different options are there. If you choose a troubleshoot, advanced options have to have some troubleshoot. Okay. Like the choose options, you have to choose troubleshoot. Startup settings. Where is this trouble? Yeah, this is troubleshoot, second option. Okay, and then we go to advanced options. Okay, you can see this is a very small. I need a better screen. This is better. System restore. Then choose system restore. Okay, startup settings, startup repair, system image, back to the build previous version. Few options will change depends upon your system and your connectivity. Okay, so it is different way. This is different screen. So the second screen you can observe, this is startup settings, system repair, command prompt, uninstall update, system restore, UEFI settings. We can fit this one here. Okay, so these are the options are there. Okay, what is the use of system restoration, guys? So we can restore our system to earlier to the system restoration point. Okay, so we lost application driver settings after restoration point. You may get uninstalled application setting drives which is created after restoration point. We use it for a troubleshooting, guys. So install application drivers, changing setting cause issues. So previous may good condition. Okay, you got any BSOD, your system is got slow. You install some application, you cannot able to change it. You some change settings. Okay, you got some issue after installation of some application, or because of that application, or maybe after update of your PC, update of drivers or installation of drivers, and maybe change of some settings. It may it may give you a problem. So then better to choose system restoration point and restore to earlier one. So then it will protect. So another one is you can go to repair options. When you go to repair options, then also you can go to advanced option. There you will find a system restoration options. There also you can do system restoration. Even I got a problem, guys. I got a BSOD problem, and one of our student he remember the practical what we showed about a safe mode and a system restoration. So he repaired my laptop. Okay, so I got a BSOD pollen, and so next day he used repaired my laptop. So this is how what is happen when we are installing VMware workstation. Is an application for creating virtual machines. That is a VMware workstation. Okay. There is installation steps are there. Enhanced, because when I am installing first time, that is the 12th version. 12th version is introduced with a new feature like this, enhanced keyboard feature. So that is a new feature automatically. Earlier it is not there in 11, 10, 7, 8, 9. Option is not there. So what I have done, I select this option, I install it. So my laptop hardware doesn't understand what is this enhanced keyboard features. My operating system, my kernel and hardware. There is a conflict is occur with my hardware and kernel with this application option. So immediately I got a blue screen of death. Okay, so one of my students, when we are taking classes, so next day I take the laptop and I got this blue screen of death. What he done, he go to safe mode and do the restore mode, system restoration. Okay, so luckily restoration point only one step back, means when I installing this application, restoration point is created automatically. When I'm installing application only created, application is created a restoration point. Luckily I didn't lose anything, like any other application or setting I didn't lose. So only he done restoration to the previous state. BSOD is resolved. Okay, so that's the point, guys. Sometimes some people really interested to do such things and remember things, which one we have to use, which time. There are learners, keepers. Okay. So that's the point, guys. Do you understand what is the use of system restoration and safe mode?
Yes, sir.
Next one is BSOD. So for a BSOD, three things are important. That is these three things. What is a BSOD? Blue screen of death. Is a blue screen of death. So what is BSOD? Why BSOD occurs? How to resolve? These are the 3 points. So when you got a question about a BSOD, so you have to keep in mind, you have to tell answer in the 3 points. What is BSOD and why it is occurs and how to resolve? These 3 things you have to tell. Okay. What is a BSOD? Blue screen of death. Of course, that is an abbreviation, but exactly what is a BSOD? This is a stop error. BSOD is nothing but a stop error. So while you are working, okay, or when you start maybe it is at the start of your PC, or while working with your PC, while start of your PC or while working your PC, you may get a blue screen of death. You may get a blue screen of death. So why we are getting this blue screen of death is, okay, why we are getting blue screen of death? If there is an issue occurs at kernel level, it may be because of hardware related conflicts or device drivers conflict or IRQ or a memory IO addressing related conflicts or occurs. So that time BSOD may occurs. So I got a BSOD, I already explained, that is enhanced keyboard. It is a virtual keyboard kind of stuff. It contains some IRQ numbers. means hardware recognition numbers are there. So my hardware is there, I have my keyboard, right? So there is a conflict between my physical machine and that virtual feature. Okay, so there is a conflict is occurring in my PC. I got this BSOD. Okay, I got a one silly BSOD. So because of when I using certain application to hack Facebook games. Okay, Facebook games, guys. Anybody remember Facebook games? Okay, maybe you know the Candy Crush.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
yeah.
We know Candy
So
Crush.
in a Facebook, in
Yes,
a
sir.
Candy Crush game, having limited moves, 30 moves, 35, 55, time limitations are there. So within a 30 moves, you may not complete that particular stage, right? So what I will do, so use some one education purpose hacking tool only. So that is we use it to connect this Facebook process connected to this application, and we do one move. Means it is a 30 moves are there. I do one move, it is become 29. So we'll catch up that process. Initially 30 number, now it is 29 number. So then we change 29 to 290. 29 to 290 means normally you got 30 moves. Now I got a 291 moves are there now. So I will finish in a 30 to 40 moves, and remaining are become sugar crush. Okay. Okay. People who do it may understand that one, guys. Remaining people no problem. Okay. So I got 30 moves. So I hack this process. I done one more, it is become 29. So from this one, first initially I enter 30. So 30 process is so many are there, 29, and difference is there. So this is process scanning, and we find which process is belongs to this moves. Then we change it, like we change the number of moves to 300. And I complete a game in 40 moves. What is about remaining moves? Like a 260 moves are sugar crush. So we'll get a high score. Okay. So what will happen? Facebook is very intelligent, guys, highly secure, very intelligent, artificial intelligent. It is. So what happened? They put a one bug in the application. When you try to hack your Facebook game, your system will get problem. You don't understand why you are getting a problem. Okay, so it will throw a blue screen of death. So you seriously think if something is goes wrong with my PC, you'll go to format directly. Okay, so that's the point. Okay, guys, look at here. Blue screen of death, also called as a stop error. Why BSOD? BS is a full system failure at Windows kernel level due to the issue with your Windows drivers or this one. Okay, it is not a app crash. Okay, it is not a app crash. If browser crashes, Windows continually running. Okay, an application is not working, Windows will continuously running. It is not a blue screen of death related. It is very rare that app can cause the blue screen because they run at a high level in operating system. But applications also causes blue screen of death because of that application, if in case running at your hardware level. Okay, so like that I said no, enhanced keyboard option that will run at a hardware level. So it is interact with our hardware, it confuses hardware kind of stuff, IRQ, IO memory addressing kind of stuff. I'll show you guys, this one MS Info 32. Okay, every device having a certain hardware resources. So it is IRQ, interrupt request queuing. Every device will be recognized. Every device is try to give a process to your processor, right? So your system will recognize the devices and their inputs based on their IRQ number. See this? This is my Qualcomm Ethos wireless network adapter. Their IRQ number is 17. My Wi-Fi. This is my graphic card. That is IRQ number is 16. Okay. This is a pointing Lenovo pointing device means trackpad. Audio drivers 22. Okay. There's so many some other complement system it is showing. So graphics, internal graphic related. Okay. Chipsets. Okay. So there is a lot of IRQ numbers for each device will be recognized based on their IRQ numbers. It will understand. For example, you put a different ringtones for different numbers. You got a call, like you got a WhatsApp message, you will understand message from WhatsApp, message to WhatsApp. You got a normal message, you will understand normal message. Okay, you got a call, so then you will understand you got a call, not message. How? Based on the notification settings, right? Numbers, sounds, music, or that kind of stuff. What we I did forget that one. Okay, so caller tunes or whatever it is. So same way, guys, system will understand from what device it is getting a input or a instructions or a data. It will understand by their IRQ numbers and IO addressing. Each device having a address in the memory location. It is a purely kernel level. Memory locations, IO addressing, and IRQ numbers. These are the main things to deal from your hardware, operating system, and hardware related devices. Okay, these are very important to deal. If any conflict is occur, maybe from an operating system or an application, or maybe because of certain process, because of virus. Okay, if any conflict is occur because of a hardware, a conflict is occur, so conflict occurs at a kernel level and IRQ numbering, IO addressing, or memory addressing. So one reason by something. Okay. Okay. It is not a app crash related. Update hardware drivers in Windows. Most blue screen updates are hardware related or drivers related. So update drivers could fix the cause of stop error. Check the system application logs, event logs for occurs. Okay. If BSOD occurs, you can go to system logs in the event viewer for errors or warnings that may provide certain information what is causing of BSOD. How to go to event viewer? You can have a shortcut or you can directly go to event viewer. Okay, so go to event viewer and also you can find what happened here. You guys, you know already what is an event. What is an event? Anything occurs at your system, like you install an application, you uninstall an application, you format a drive, you are log into your PC or log out from the PC, you open an application, you close an application. So all are logs only. These logs are divided into four parts: applications, security logs, setup logs, system logs. Okay. What are these things, guys? Windows logs in event viewer. Go to event viewer and go to Windows logs. Then you will find different logs like a application log. So any application you install or uninstall, you open. So that is application lag. Application is crashed. Application lags. Okay. Application lag. Setup. Security. You open an application with a certain authentication, means like a login as a administrator, login as a particular user. So that is a security. Login, log out from your PC. That is a security part. Okay. System. Okay, it's all about system where anything occurs at a kernel level, so you can also see at a system also. So I will show you guys. This is system logs. So virtual disk services means hard disk related services, event log services, kernel general. Okay, there is a warning is occur. You can see this is an information warning. So some detected unrecognized USB driver. Okay, so this is also like that. So kernel related information you can see at a system logs. Okay, your system kernel level is okay. You will get it. Time services. Okay. Error. Installation feature. Windows fail to install following update with an error. WhatsApp desktop application related something update is failed to update. This is the details of those things. Okay, guys. Setup is not showing. Okay, security. So security is about a sign in, sign out. You can able to log into an application, open the application related. This is application services. So backup related. Your system, see HP related application. Warning is occur for a certification already expired, something like that. Okay. So different logs are there. So you have to check system mainly for a kernel. Kernel level information or warning or error. So this is will tell you how to go to event viewer. Okay, this is also covered now. Guys, this is update hardware drivers. Most of the blue screen updates will occur because of hardware drivers. So simply guys, it is because of new hardware or maybe uncompatible incompatible or uncompatible hardware or device drivers updates, Windows updates are a drivers updates applications, mainly applications works at kernel level. So these are kind of stuff we are newly installing hardware, incompatible hardware updates, applications, BIOS settings. You change some BIOS settings, also it is causing these issues. In Windows 7 and XP, this is how blue screen out touch screen will show, guys. This is how it will shows. In a Windows 10, it is showing like this. Okay. Just for our understanding, I taken this. So this is can make it little larger. It is smaller. That is good. Now we got a blue screen of death. What to do? Okay. What to do with a blue screen of death? If you are using a Windows 10, so this is the solution. Okay. If I write, it is very easy. If I copy paste, it is little difficult. So see how much big letters it is. So when blue screen of death occurs at Windows 10, guys, you know why Windows 10 is more good, because if you are understand really, okay, compared to if you know Windows 7, Windows XP time, why Windows 10 is good. You know, Windows 10 mostly to repair itself. Windows 10 having some problems, but Windows 10 will try to repair itself. Okay, so you need to do like, you know, Windows 7, you got a some problem, format. You don't know means how to troubleshoot, that much headache is we don't do it. So format. In Windows 10, it is not like that. You know, most of the people forget how to reinstall operating system. The technician job is also reduced. So when BSOD occurs, guys, Windows 10 is try to repair automatically by restart. So when you see the screen, it is showing 20% complete. Okay, so it will complete 100%. It will restart automatically. Don't do anything, guys. Let it restart. Leave it for some time. 100% completed. Let it restart. And you are not getting this BSOD again. After restart, you don't get a BSOD again. So no problem. So problem is solved automatically. See how simple it is, BSOD. So people are asking big question. Very simple. Yes, you have to just wait. I got lot of BSOD related issues from last few years. Okay, every year 2 times or 3 times I will get it, because some conflict, some application, some playing game. Usually when I play a game, there's a conflict will occur. Obviously it will throw a BSOD by some application I open. So suddenly some confusion will occur. It will throw a BSOD. So I will wait. This is a BSOD occurs, and then I will stop system, means it will be restarted automatically. So if I don't get a BSOD again, means issue is resolved. Okay. Most of the time, guys, restart may help you to solve your problem. Restart. Sometimes sign out and sign in is also solve your problems in certain things. Application related issues like a application login issues or Microsoft Teams like that. So when I got a Microsoft Teams issue, I got a lot of stress out like earlier. So then I found very simple solution is sign out from the system and sign in. When you sign out and sign in, all the services will restart again. You don't need to restart your entire PC, just sign out and sign in also will help you. Simple steps to solve the problem. Okay, so we are not technicians, so we do simple steps to resolve our issues. Restart may help you to resolve certain problems. Okay, so let it restart, let it restart. Next, if in case you got a blue screen of death is occur, then you have to think what you done last time. Okay, morning your stomach is upset and you told to your mom then, or maybe you told to your friends, and what they will tell, you went to the doctor, what they tell, what you eat, what did you eat yesterday, right? What did you eat yesterday? Same thing, if BSOD occurs, let it wait, so let it restart. So once restarted, if it is solved, no problem. If it is not solved, again you got a BSOD error, blue screen of death issue is occur, then you have to think what you done last time. If you install new hardware, if you install a new hardware, try to remove that hardware. Shut down your PC, disconnect all power connections, remove the hardware. Maybe that hardware is causing certain conflicts. Maybe last time you installed certain drivers. Go to safe mode, try to uninstall the drivers, or go to system restoration point. Okay, and you install some application. I already told VMware workstation application related, right? So I got a problem afterwards. I installed that application. So then I got a problem. Now I'm installing application. May help you. So if you want to try, you can try to go to bio safe mode and try again. To remove drivers or uninstall an application sometimes is difficult. So better to go to safe mode. Sometimes it is difficult and go to safe mode and try again. Okay, guys. Then if in case one more is there, that is okay. Done BIOS settings related. And back to previous state. You've done a BIOS settings related. Change back to the BIOS settings. Okay, so here I have written multiple times what is the BSOD, what to do kind of stuff, but it is so guys, you change the BIOS settings, you install a new hardware or an application, okay, new device drivers, you're updating your device drivers, so you have to uninstall those. So revert it, and also one more is there now, so that is do system restore. Do system restore also one of the solution. And finally, final point guys, if no solution works, reinstall reinstallation of operating system. But know why you are getting a blue screen of death is important. Very important guys. Look at this. When you see here, it will tell you why you are getting blue screen of death. The first thing is, okay, read what's on your screen error. Okay, what's on this blue screen error? You can see this is stop error it is saying. Here it is also some issue is there. You can see what is it is. Read it and search in a Google why you are getting. So search about error. So then you will know why you are getting that error and how to resolve it. Okay, you can search about that error in the Google, find out why you are getting that error and do the necessary steps. Okay, so remaining is what you have done, you have to revert it either by using system restoration or go to safe mode, or maybe it is an installation of application or removing drivers or removing updates. Okay, updates or remove installation of newly hardwares. It can be you changes by your settings, so then it is you can do it. If nothing is works, of course, this is a installation. It is a very simple point, guys. How to, if you know why it is occurred to your system, it is very simple to solution. And if you don't know why it is occurs, then try to find out from the address. Simple. You want to know about more BSOD, Windows 10 or Windows 7, anything. So you go to the multiple screen. Every screen in the bottom, there is a error. Why you got this error? It can be page file.sys related, or it can be IRQ related, anything. Just okay, find out why you are getting this error. Sometimes very clear, sometimes system thread exception not handled. Find out why you are getting that kind of error. So this is 60% completed. So you can go to this also, windows.stop code. You can go to windows.stop code. then there you will find different type of blues errors and how to troubleshoot. Okay. You guys understand what is the BSOD, safe mode, and system restoration. Nothing. Everybody silent?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is yes? No, okay, that's it for today, guys. Tomorrow